Do you use a wallet?
Yes, I prefer to use a wallet. I like to use wallet whenever I go for my with my friends for a hangout.
For hanging out
For hanging
or
out
to
with
hang
them
out? Yeah.
at a weekend. I like the answer of you.
I keep my wallet with me. So to answer your question, my wallet is always with me.
Always with me.
गुड. थोड़ा एक्टिवली बोलें, आवाज़ निकालें थोड़ी सी, ठीक है? अभी आपकी आगे चल के शादी भी होनी है, थोड़ा तगड़े होके, ठीक है? ये है.
Have you ever sent a wallet to someone as a gift?
Yes, recently I sent a wallet to my friend on his birthday because he like to
likes.
collect he likes to collect wallets. That's the question of your the answer of your question. I sent
I sent a wallet to my friend
my
on
friend.
his birthday. Very good, active. स्माइल थोड़ा सा मुँह, हाँ ऐसे, अगर नहीं भी स्माइल आती मुँह ऐसे कर लें, ठीक है? ऐसे स्माइल ऑटोमेटिकली बन जाती है. ये वन मोर.
Do most of your friends use a wallet?
Yes, always my all friend use wallet because it is an essential part of our life.
Essential part.
Essential part of our life when we are going to hanging out.
When we go out.
When we go out, and the answer of your question is
Don't repeat the answer of your question every time. उससे रट्टा लगेगा आपका, ठीक है? Don't say that. So you say, do most of your friends use wallet? So yes, many of my friends use wallet regularly. Or yes, all of my friends have their wallets. ठीक है?
Yes.
Don't say to answer to your question every time. That will be like crammed answer. Okay? Overall it's better, but you need to add some energy. Put a smile on your face. Overall your answers are good, but you need a lot of practice. Okay? Thank you.